We will be making this diamond color Kusudama and form it into a Chinese New Year lantern. To make this Kusudama, you will need a hook. This is a crochet hook that you can use, and some ruler for curling. And the paper size is ratio is 2 to 1. 2 here and 1. Start off with color side down, white side up. Fold it in half on the long side. And then open up. Now make color side up, fold it in half like this. Turn it like this. We want to make a diagonal fold that goes like this. Fold it diagonal only until the middle. Open up and fold the diagonal in the other side. Next, we want to make this rabbit ear fold like this. And you can fold it to the right and then fold to the left. Turn over and repeat the same thing. Make the diagonal fold first until the middle. Fold it at the other side and make the rabbit ear fold. Fold it to the right first, then to the left. Now turn upside down like this. Do a diagonal fold. Bring this point up here. Next, just open this up and lift this and fold this inward. And after that, just bring this down. Same with the other side. Make a diagonal fold, bring this corner up to this point. Open this up, lift one sheet and fold this inward and close it back down. And when you pull this, you will open up to give this shape. Fold this one down, diagonal fold, and do a reverse fold like this. Turn over and repeat the same. Fold diagonal and do a reverse fold. And the diamond is at the top with two black hairs like this. Next, just want to curl this one, just do a pre-curl. Pre-curl on the left and turn over and repeat the same pre-curl on the left. Once you have pre-curled this, just go ahead and make the curl. Make sure the curl is enough to stay and repeat the same at the back. Once you open this one, this is a final unit. We will need 12 to assemble. And the assembly will be in an octahedron form. First take one like this and take the other one and curl it. Snap the curl together. Once you have done that, take the third piece and curl both ends here like this. Curl this one and curl the other end like this. This is 3 pieces. And what we want to do is to add 2 more at the so that it connects these two. Add one here first and add another one so it connects these two. and you will see that there will be 3 pieces here already. And the final form would be to add 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead, add 1 here first. And add 1 more to connect these 2 together. And this one should be connected together. And this is the top part of the octahedron. Like this, we have 4 here and 4 at the side that connects it together. If you turn it the other side, you will notice it's like this. And we will only be having 4 pieces left. And it will be just connect each of the side. Add it 1 here. And 1 here. Once you add this one, you can connect these 2 together. And just 1 more here and 1 more here. Add 1 and connect this to the center. And this is the final piece, like this. And this is the 12-piece octahedron, final one. After this, we just want to hang it up, and you will just need to prepare a string like this, a string like this, with a big knot at the end here, like. And just take a hook or something, just hook through, insert through the center, like this, and go through the whole thing until it reach at the other end. Hook the string and pull it through. Of course, depends on the type of hook. You might need to give it a few try. And make sure the knot is big enough so that it can hang like this. And we are done.